Hello everyone, today I will going to sharing my project poster. So in this project, I'm doing the automation line detection car based on OpenCV using Raspberry Pi. As you can see in the upper part left side of the photo, this is actually my project car. So for this car, we actually use quite a lot of revolutionary technology. For example, this car is designed using the Raspberry Pi by Python language. It can perform image processing using the OpenCV library. So we also give the car advanced algorithm to perform the line detection. And the car is able to detect the color of the line when it move in the track. So for this car in this project, actually we plan to have several challenges for it. So there's several requirements to let the car complete the challenge. So the first one is the car need to detect the control of the different shape. For example, when we put the shape in front of the Pi camera, the Pi camera need to detect it and show the control of the shape in the monitor screen. So the second one is the car need to move in the simple straight line. We need to put the car in the straight line and let it move smoothly without any accident. So for the third one is complex line following in 100 seconds. So we also let the car to move in a very complex track, and the track is also got the curve and the different situation. So the car need to move and complete the track within 100 seconds. So the fourth one is color detection during line following. In the track, we also put several color line so that the car can be detected the line of the color and move in the specific color of the line that we mentioned for it. So the fifth one is shape detection. We need to perform the accurate shape detection for the Raspberry Pi car. For example, when we put several shapes in front of the Pi camera, the code need to tell us how many shapes, for example, how many circle, how many square, and how many triangle. So how do we do this? Actually, this challenge got a lot of approach to complete it. So actually, we can use the library of OpenCV to perform the image processing. That's because there's a lot of function in the OpenCV library. For example, cv2.control can be used to detect the control and doing the control analysis. So for color detection, in this project, we use HSV. So the HSV value has been determined and the range, masking, and the control will be defined. So all of this can be achieved by using the Canny edge detection, thresholding, and control analysis. And all of this function is actually preset in the OpenCV library. So we just need to import it into the code and do some coding for it. So after we do all of this, let us see what is the result of the car. So based on our observation, our car is very stable. It got stable performance. How do we define the stable performance? The stable performance can be defined by it can moving fluently in the track within 100 seconds, and it also can do some simple decision when we let him pass through the color line. For example, when the car is detected the red color, if we set the car can move in red color, the car must be follow the red color line other than the other color line. So the car is also can able to have image processing technology. So it can be detect several shapes and the several colors. So like able to detect the multiple color. So lastly, the car got humanity design. So as you can see, the car in the photo got a beautiful design, and I think this is really humanity's design. So in a nutshell, I think our project car is a very affordable and a reliable line following and shape detection car. In my opinion, it got a huge market potential and academic value. For example, the line detection technology and the shape detection technology actually can be used in the several fields like automation car field. For example, the car manufacturing like Tesla, General Motors, actually they can use this technology to perform the automation car. So this project I think is actually can be learned and redo by other college or university because it really gives us a lot of lessons and we can learn a lot learn a lot in the project. So lastly, I hope this project can make the world better and make our future more good. So this all my presentation. Thank you very much.